the most epic challenge of them all. Small box versus epically sized box. Up next on Yeti's Place. Hi guys, this is Yeti the Sammy Ed and I'm Yeti's mom. And on this channel, we talk about the fun and exciting things that Yeti enjoys. So if you're new here, please subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of Yeti's Place. Let's get started. Yeti loves boxes, like loves them. Boxes of all sizes, small boxes, larger boxes. He just goes crazy over them, shreds them whole. This is what happened. Gonna give him the empty box. He loves empty boxes. So when my husband and I got a new refrigerator, the most epic of all size boxes ever, Yeti would totally have an epic, huge, giant, massive box. So take a look and see what happened when we gave him the most epically sized box of all time, the most coveted box ever, the refrigerator box.
Yeti, work on the box. It's like the most special box ever that you've ever had. Yeti, go work on your box. Yeti gets the biggest box there is, and he doesn't know what to do with it.
So we thought Yeti would be super excited about that big, giant, huge box. We were disappointed, to say the least. We thought Yeti would just go crazy over it. We thought that he would just go crazy, like total craziness over that big, giant, huge box. But the box was so big that Yeti lost sight of it from end to end to end. Like he couldn't figure out what it was. That it was actually a giant, huge, big, massive box. Normally when Yeti gets a box, he gets a box like this size, to like a food box, which he shreds all over the place. He loves boxes, just goes crazy over them. So he had the most epically sized box of them all, the refrigerator box. And poor Yeti did not know what to do with that epically sized box. Poor Yeti and the big, giant, huge box. Thought it'd be a great adventure, but it was an epic fail. Thanks for watching, you guys. Be sure to subscribe, like, click the notification bell down below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.